Stop scrolling for a second. If you could unlock a calmer, more energized you in less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee, would you? This isn't just a stretch. It's a profound self-awareness exercise designed to realign your mind and body. Prepare to feel noticeably lighter and more vibrant after this unbelievably simple 2-minute energy reset. Wherever you are, at your desk, in your car, at home, just find a comfortable position, either sitting upright or standing tall. This practice is designed to work anywhere, anytime. We're going to do a quick body scan. All this means is we'll gently focus on the physical sensations in your body, not the thoughts in your mind. This is the fastest way to ground yourself and hit the reset button. There's no complicated jargon here, just simple, gentle guidance. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath, not trying to change it, just noticing the flow, in and out. Now let's bring your attention all the way down to your feet. Feel the contact with the floor, the weight, any sensation of temperature. Just notice. Gently draw that awareness up into your legs, your thighs, noticing the support of the chair beneath you. Bring your focus into your torso, your stomach and chest, observing the gentle rise and fall with your breath. Now to your arms, and down into your hands. Notice the air on your skin, the feeling of your fingers resting. Slowly guide your awareness to your neck and shoulders, and finally to your face. Just observe any sensations you find here, without any judgment. No need to change a thing. This is the practice, just noticing. And with your next exhale, see if you can let go of just a little bit of the tension you're holding. Breathing in and releasing on the out-breath. You might already feel a wave of calm, a quieting of the mental noise, a sense of clarity returning. This isn't magic, it's physiology. By doing this, you've just signaled your nervous system to shift out of fight and flight and into rest and digest. You've told your body it's safe to calm down. This tiny 2-minute practice builds incredible resilience. It's a pressure release valve that prevents burnout and keeps you centered for whatever comes next in your day. Make this your secret weapon. Try it before you start work, after a tough meeting, or even while you're waiting in line. This micro habit can completely transform your daily energy. Now, I'm genuinely curious, how did this 2-minute reset feel for you? Was it a release of tension, a burst of clarity? Share one word in the comments below. I read every single one. If this brought a moment of peace to your day, imagine what a daily practice could do. Subscribe to Breathe Pill and hit the notification bell for more practical tools like this to help you transform your energy and find calm whenever you need it.